Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. We have Cotty Cotties. Here's the Cotty Cotties. And we have an unboxing and a giveaway announcement. So let's do the unboxing first. I had to do a little research on how to do a giveaway on YouTube. I hope I'm compliant. We'll find out one way or another. But y'all know that I dabble on ham radio. So this here popped up on my AliExpress feed. So I'm going to open it up. Here we are. We're committed. The video is committed. Let's give Cotty some cookies so she stops headbutting me. And this is going to be the giveaway. This is a Baofeng. Okay. I have a little rule in the house. If I get a radio, one radio must go out. So kind of just gave away what's in this, huh? You guys could have just read it off the box too. And then this title. But here it is. We have an LNA. Have an antenna. We have a USB A to C. Another antenna. Looks like just some sort of Wi-Fi antenna. We have a telescoping antenna. That's like a mag mount with another antenna. Got another antenna with a mag mount. Yep, that's magnetic. And another antenna. I've been wanting one of these for a while. I've just never bought one. So I'll be playing with it, exploring it, and I'll probably do some videos on it too, maybe. I don't know. Just depends on how I feel. So this is a HackRF. It's got some stuff in here. Does it come powered on? Or no batteries? Well, it's got a internal battery in it. No internal speakers, what they say. But not sure how to do the power on it. We'll have to, probably dead. Let's grab a USB. Where'd that USB cable go? Let's plug it in. This is the USB-C version. It's got a USB-C. So, yeah, it's like about time I should be getting into the SDRs here. Oop. Now it powers up. Mayhem. So it's already got firmware and everything on it. I'm a bit late to the game, but looks like it boots. I'll have to mess around with it. So I'll play around with it. It'll be a fun one to learn. But yeah, it should have a battery in there. It might be disconnected for transport. I don't know. No, it looks like it's connected in there. I'll leave it plugged in here while I do this. Maybe I'll have to figure it out. So this is the giveaway. This is a Baofeng UV-5R. This is brand new still in the box. So I have to read you this, supposedly. Now this, I'm giving away a brand new Baofeng UV-5R handheld radio to one lucky subscriber. To enter, you must subscribe to this channel, like the video, leave a comment below with the word radio. Okay? That's it. There's no purchase necessary. So just be sure you leave a comment and you just type in one word, radio. Okay? YouTube is not a sponsor of this giveaway and has no responsibility for it. This giveaway complies with YouTube's contest policies. This is only open to US residents 18 and older. So that means if you're from Canada, don't enter because you won't get it. The winner will be chosen at random on a live stream announced November 1st. This radio requires an FCC amateur radio license to transmit. You are responsible for following all applicable laws. I will post the official rules in the comments or a pinned post or in the description. I'm still unsure how I'm going to do that. I think I can just put it into the comments or a pinned post. So if you want a chance, free shipping, free radio, just subscribe, like, and leave a comment with the word radio, and you will enter. So let's give Cotty her cookies. She's been very needy today. And let's see how many comments and likes I get on this. So if you're just tuning in for the giveaway, I will see you on November 1st, live at 12 p.m. Catch y'all later.